Thanks for joining me today. Many people ask us about how Jira Service Management compares against other service desk solutions, and in particular compared to the more expensive options in the market, being ServiceNow and Zendesk. So we've created a few short videos to walk through that comparison. So let's jump straight in. You'll find that Jira Service Management provides the most cost-effective solution on the market, which can expand and scale in features and capability to meet the demands of the largest complex organisations in the country. It does this by starting with a baseline configuration that will address about 80% of your requirements with its out-of-box capability. In today's video, I'll be looking at this baseline capability and how that ensures you get the most cost-effective outcome. Now, the latest version of Jira Service Management was released earlier this year and took a great step forward in addressing the needs of the ITSM market. And at the same time, it added great functionality for the broader market interested in business process automation. Jira Service Management is a cloud service, and if you happen to already be using Jira software, adopting Jira Service Management immediately takes you into the world of DevOps, where you can seamlessly connect work across your dev and operation teams. This improved collaboration, visibility and analytic capability will have you providing much higher levels of service. And this is all seamless without the need of integration effort or customization. In other words, no additional costs. So coming back to that baseline of Jira Service Management, this gives you default pre-configured ITSM processes for incident, problem, service request and change, along with a pre-configured request portal. Now, for most organisations, this is all you need, and so you can launch off and set up your service desk. And in fact, you can create any number of separate service desks. And you can do this for a fraction of the cost of other solutions, and in particular ServiceNow and Zendesk. This foundation solution is hugely compelling, and we see many organisations use this as their starting point. And from here, an organisation can now focus on spending time and money on those elements that are specifically important to their business. And I think this is what differentiates Atlassian from other more expensive options. Atlassian is not gouging at your wallet. It wants to be the most cost-effective solution at all points along your ITSM maturity journey. So that 80% fit means that you're not paying for features that you'll never use. So let's have a look at some examples of how our customers grow their Jira solution over time. The most common next step is to modify processes and workflow. Jira Service Management has a powerful workflow engine, and it incorporates an approval and notification engine. Using an easy editor, customers will start adding formal approvals to their change and request processes. They may create a release process or introduce new notifications using channels like Teams or Slack. Then come more specific changes that require additional features that are not provided natively in Jira Service Management. Remember, you get 80% of what you need at a tremendously low price, so now you can focus your additional spend. Probably the most common is to add a CMDB or asset management capability. This is done using an additional app which has an associated cost. It isn't much, but it is additional. And just on these additional apps, Atlassian has done a great job in developing a rich development community, and they must go through a rigorous certification and quality process to appear on the Atlassian marketplace. And here you'll find countless apps providing additional features for all Atlassian products. Jira Service Management itself has over 1,200 apps to explore, and these apps are free and others are those that you need to purchase. This flexibility and variety allows organisations to use a few different apps to provide specific additional features needed. So this may add some cost, but the total cost is still way lower than you would face using any other alternative, and certainly that of ServiceNow or Zendesk. So you can see how Atlassian has made Jira Service Management a great solution for all businesses. And it's why its uptake in the market is growing at a huge pace. So if you're considering adopting a new service desk solution or thinking about moving off your current expensive solution, contact Systemology and we'll show you how Jira Service Management can be a perfect fit. Now we've also prepared a comparison document of Jira Service Management to ServiceNow and Zendesk, and you can download that following this link and take the opportunity to check that out. In our next video I'll cover some more specific comparison points, and you'll find that Jira Service Management punches well above its price point, and it's a great alternative for companies of all sizes. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.